Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Admission Info. Today we will discuss about Maharashtra CET 2024. Its application form has been started from 16th of January to 1st of March 2024 and exam will be held on 25th to 30th of April. If we discuss about their examination pattern and eligibility criteria, its eligibility criteria are very simple. If you are an Indian national, then you can apply. Either you qualified 10 plus 2 or appearing in 2024, then you can apply. The best thing in Maharashtra CET is that there is no age restriction. Out of these basic eligibility criteria, there are some other criteria also, which depend upon state or national level, as Maharashtra CET is state level entrance examination. Now let us move forward towards other eligibility criteria. So for Indian nationals who are not belonging to Maharashtra, their JEE score is more preferred as compared to Maharashtra CET. Physics and maths are the mandatory subject and third subject can be chemistry, biology, biotechnology, computer science, information practice, information technology, can be any technical vocational subject or engineering graphic. If we talk about minimum aggregate, then you need at least 45% in 10 plus 2. Along with that, in JEE also, you should have a non-zero positive score. Now we are coming to eligibility criteria for Maharashtra student. So candidate must be Indian national. Mandatory subject are physics and maths, and third subject can be same as we discussed for Indian national students. Minimum aggregate is 45% in 10 plus 2 and positive score in CET is mandatory. There is no negative marking in Maharashtra CET. So guys, if you want direct admission in good college of Maharashtra in any course like BTech, BBA, Law or Pharmacy, then you can contact or WhatsApp on the number showing on the screen. And if you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.